How to program a WeatherTRAK PBT decoder. Alright, this is Ben Coffey, the WeatherTRAK training manager, and today we'll be looking at a dated version of the WeatherTRAK 2-wire called the WeatherTRAK Powered by 2-Core, which preceded our current H2O product, but we continue to produce and support for those users and projects that have been with us since before about 2018. Most projects that started after 2018 will be our H2O product, but we continue to support the Powered by 2-Core option. So today we're going to talk about replacing a 2-wire decoder and how to program a station decoder on a Powered by 2-Core controller. And you'll notice, first of all, with the older decoder, the decoder is blue, and it has 2 blue wires and 2 white wires. And so you can tell by looking at the decoder which version of 2-wire you have. The H2O decoders are black. And so the two systems have two different types of decoders. So for a Powered by 2-Core controller, you need these little blue decoders. And to program that, we'll take the blue and white wires and program them into the programming port. And you'll notice that the programming port has a blue side and a white side as printed on the board. So we take the 2 blue wires and plug them in to the blue side. And we take the 2 white wires and plug those into the white side. So you can see I've got my blue wires in the blue port and my white wires in the white port. And then I come over here to the Powered by 2-Core interface. And what I want to do is start every program process with cancel, cancel, clear whatever is on there. And then we'll use the forward arrow and scroll through until we see main menu tests. And we don't want the tests, we want the decoder programming. So we hit down one arrow to decoder programming and then hit enter. And this takes us to the decoder programming tool where we follow the directions on the screen. First we connect the decoder to the port and then hit enter. Today we want to talk about changing the ID, so we hit enter and it says select new ID and it begins at station 1. And you can hit the up arrow to select a higher station. So you scroll through the stations until you find the station that you're looking for. And when the station that you're looking for is displayed on the screen, you'll hit enter. And it will say program decoder to station 12. And you say yes, hit enter. It will program that. It will verify that. And then it will say new decoder ID station 12. Remember to label. Remember to write that. So remember to take your Sharpie out and write that on the decoder, because labeling the decoders will save you time in the field down the line. And then we just disconnect them, take your decoder out, label it right here. At this point, this decoder is programmed and ready to go. So if you're only doing this one decoder, you're done. But if you wanted to test this decoder, you could plug it back in and run it through the test decoder menu. Or you could keep on the decoder programmer and continue to program multiple decoders by repeating steps 2 through 6.